Imagine if the key to unlocking your full potential was hidden in your ability to understand and manage your emotions. What if mastering emotional intelligence could transform chaos into clarity and confusion into confidence? Today, we'll explore how harnessing your emotions can be the secret to achieving success in every facet of life. Join us as we delve into the world of emotional intelligence and discover the power it holds. Are you ready to turn emotional turmoil into a tool for triumph? Welcome to the fascinating realm of emotional intelligence habits, where understanding and managing your emotions can unlock doors you never knew existed. Here, we explore how emotional intelligence isn't just a buzzword but a crucial skill that can elevate your personal and professional life. By mastering these habits, you can transform potential into reality and dreams into achievements. So, let's embark on this journey to uncover the secrets behind the billions and see how emotional intelligence can be your greatest asset. Daniel Goleman, a trailblazer in the study of emotional intelligence, has shown us that EQ can often outweigh IQ in determining success. His groundbreaking research reveals that a staggering 90% of top performers possess high emotional intelligence. Goleman's work has reshaped our understanding of what it means to be intelligent, emphasizing the importance of emotional skills in achieving excellence. By exploring his insights, we can learn how to harness these skills to enhance our own lives and careers. So how can you begin to cultivate emotional intelligence in your own life? The journey starts with self-awareness, a fundamental component of EQ. By recognizing your emotions as they arise, you gain insight into your reactions and behaviors. This awareness allows you to navigate your emotions more effectively, setting the stage for personal growth and improved relationships. Let's delve into the power of self-awareness and how it can transform your emotional landscape. Empathy, another cornerstone of emotional intelligence, is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Developing empathy involves active listening and responding with sensitivity, which can significantly enhance your interpersonal relationships. By cultivating empathy, you not only improve your connections with others, but also foster a more compassionate and understanding environment. Let's explore how empathy can be developed and the profound impact it can have on your interactions. Consider the profound impact of emotional intelligence in leadership roles. Leaders who possess high EQ are able to inspire trust, foster collaboration, and drive their teams to achieve remarkable results. Simon Sinek reminds us that true leadership is about caring for those we lead, and emotional intelligence is the key to doing so effectively. By understanding and managing emotions, leaders can create a positive and productive work environment that motivates and empowers their teams. In the business world, emotional intelligence can often be the deciding factor between success and failure. Teams with high EQ exhibit better dynamics, improved communication, and more successful outcomes. By fostering an environment where emotional intelligence is valued, businesses can enhance their overall performance and achieve their goals more effectively. Let's examine how prioritizing EQ can lead to a thriving and harmonious workplace. To enhance your emotional intelligence, consider incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Spending just 10 minutes a day observing your thoughts and emotions can significantly boost your self-awareness. This practice allows you to become more attuned to your emotional responses, providing a foundation for greater emotional control and understanding. Let's explore how mindfulness can be a powerful tool in your journey toward emotional intelligence. Journaling is another effective method for boosting emotional intelligence. By reflecting on your emotional experiences and documenting them, you gain valuable insights into your emotional patterns and triggers. This practice not only helps you understand your emotions better, but also aids in personal growth and emotional regulation. Let's delve into the benefits of reflective journaling and how it can enhance your emotional intelligence. Finally, practicing active listening is crucial for developing empathy and strengthening relationships. By fully engaging with the speaker and showing genuine interest in their perspective, you enhance your ability to connect with others. Active listening not only improves communication, but also fosters a deeper understanding and appreciation of those around you. Let's explore how this simple yet powerful habit can transform your interactions and boost your emotional intelligence. To recap, emotional intelligence is a multifaceted skill encompassing self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication. By mastering these habits, you can unlock a new level of success and fulfillment in both your personal and professional life. Remember, Self-awareness is the key to understanding yourself. Empathy builds meaningful connections, and communication is crucial for expressing and receiving ideas. Let's embrace these principles and transform our lives through the power of emotional intelligence. Master these emotional intelligence habits, and you'll unlock a new level of success and satisfaction. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey and embrace a brighter future? By cultivating emotional intelligence, you can enhance your relationships, improve your leadership skills, and achieve your goals with greater ease. Let's take the first step together and discover the incredible potential that lies within you.